Hello everyone. This video is to guide you how to set up auto-renew promotions with BigSeller. If you are tired of manually renewing promotions, BigSeller's auto-renew feature can help you keep your Shopee and TikTok promotions running 24 hours per day. The supported promotion are Shopee, discount promotions, bundle deals. TikTok, product discounts, flash deals. Here's how to set it up: auto-renew. Method 1. Set auto-renew when creating a new promotion. Go to Products, Shopee, Discount Promotions, click Create Promotion. Fill in the basic information. Turn on the Renew feature by selecting Yes. Set the start time for the renewed promotion. You can choose to start when the last promotion ends or a customized start time. Set the promotion period. Use the original period or set a maximum of 180 days. Set the end time for auto-renewal. Add product information. And save. Method 2. Enable or disable auto-renew for existing promotions. Click the three dots button under the action menu for your promotion. Select auto-renew to enable or edit settings. To cancel, click Cancel Auto-Renew. Next, let's learn different auto-renew status. Not enabled. Auto-renewal is not set up. Effective. Auto-renewal is active and will create a new promotion after the current one ends. Failed. Auto-renewal failed to create a new promotion. Ended. A new promotion was successfully created. After these operations, you can check auto-renew records by clicking here. If you have any further questions, please click Chat with us in the lower right corner to contact our customer service for assistance.